welcome to Bird College. First chocolate milk of third year. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Tammy Show. So today we have acting first. Third year now. Yeah. Forgot my water, so I had to go to the canteen and buy some. Cheers. And now we're doing TV acting. So much acting right now. Are you excited for our next lesson? Yeah! Yeah! I just had acting for TV. It was so good. We were just talking about what we're going to do and stuff. Anya! Hi!
You're only going to see me now. I'm not in Tamsin's class.
This is so crazy, isn't it? So exciting. I'm so nervous and I'm so scared at the same time. So we're in the canteen. How you guys feeling? So good. Hello!
If I land this, Tamsin Slater will be a third year musical lead.
Yeah. What are you eating, Adam?
Got a latte and a panini. Whoa!
I'm just looking at my sheet music and there's Alice. Hi Alice.
Hi Tamsin.
You're awesome, Alice.
I am. You're terrific Tamsin.
Oh my gosh, yeah! We're at Brilliant Bird College. So I'm just waiting to go into my singing lesson. See you later. Hello! Hi! Everyone!
Bird.
See you later!
See you later.
Hi Lucy D!
Hi Tamsin.
Hi Bonnie! How's first year?
It's amazing.
This is Corey and Ruby. Have a great day. Georgie, say hi to the vlog.
Hi!
Nick, say hi to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
So exciting, I'm seeing so many people today.
I've got a meeting with Simon about my dissertation.
Oh! Exciting stuff! Time for ensemble! We got magic to do, just for you. I was right, we're doing magic to do. Hey guys, so we just had ensemble singing. It was so much fun. We're gonna sing it for you, ready? Join us, leave your field to flower. Join us. I love Pippin. I love Pippin. I love Pippin. I love Pippin. Our house. They're all so good. Hey everyone, so I'm in a break now. We just had Cre8. I'm in Dance Cre8, by the way. Hi.
Hi.
Chocolate bar. Oh my god, that's my favourite. Vending machine was out of order. Now it's back on. So guys, I'm here with my crisps. Outside, bird. Hey everyone, how's first day of second year going?
Really good. It's going really well.
This is the studio that we're in. This is our research. It looks so cool, doesn't it? Hey! So we just finished Cre8. Hey guys, so it's the next day. It's Wednesday, and on Wednesdays we wear pink. I started 10, and I have jazz with Thomas Ashton. What do you have, Ruby?
I have accents with Jacob at 10.
Hi Tom! Get ready, this is gonna be such a good class. Look at this studio! Hey everyone, so we have to write down a song, a stimulus. Whoa! Whoa! Improvisation! Hey Millie B! 40, say hi to my vlog! I just finished my lesson. It was super cool. It was so inspiring to see everyone improv. And at one point, Thomas Ashton himself even got up and started improving. I really wish that I can be as good as him one day. Hey everyone! So I'm getting my new locker for third year. 374!
Hey.
Say hi to the vlog, Paul.
Yo.
I'm upstairs. That's him.
Hi, vlog.
Thank you for my locker.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Now to find my locker, guys. Let's go upstairs through this door. Oh, guys, I found it. 374. Mission accomplished. I found my locker. This is going to be my first chocolate milk of third year from the bird canteen. Say hey, everyone. Hey. We're getting ready for this meeting. I don't know what it's about yet. It's probably just going to be like, hi guys, welcome to third year. It's so crazy, guys. How are you feeling about this year?
Brilliant. Can't wait. Kind of excited, kind of scared, but it'll be good.
Yeah, just a mixture of emotions.
Like a little cocktail of emotions.
Yeah, like a little chocolate milk.
A little yazoo.
Are you using the microwave?
I am using the microwave, Tammy.
That's so cool. Is this your first time using the microwave being a third year?
Yeah.
Hey Melody Lee! How's it going? I got the hiccups. I'm gonna skate. Boom! Ah! Are you excited for this meeting?
Yeah. Do you think we're gonna find out our third musical?
Oh my gosh! I didn't even think of that!
We might.
I hope so! It could be. We never know. We never know. This is reception. This is where I work now. I'm actually working there tomorrow, so I'll show you a little bit of how my day is when I work there, because I actually only have one lesson tomorrow, which is tap. Hey guys! Are you excited for the meeting? Oh yeah, Tom's was so good, wasn't it?
We're in Tom's.
Oh yeah, Bella, you were just absolutely incredible.
Do you have jazz too?
Yeah, I do. With Sam Stanley. Born to be a... Did you get scared?
Very scared.
Let's head to the meeting. Heading into the theatre. You're welcome. Hello everyone. Hi. Hi everybody. Hello. Look guys, these are all the other third year musicals that have gone on.
Next to two awesome third years.
We're going to be up there soon. Well, our musicals are going to be up there. How cool is that, guys? Boom! Are you here? It comes, gone. Yeah, I'm good. I'm a professional scarer. I do it all the time and I'm so good at it. Hi! Hello! Let's go down to the theatre room where the meeting is. Look at this quad! It's so sunny! Get me smiling in the sun.
I will.
I am a sunshine rainbow.
Guys, make a path. Make a path.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Hi Alice! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! So we're getting ready for the meeting. Look at all this.
Tammy, what do you think the meeting's going to be about?
I think it's going to be our Virgin musicals. And then it'll be like, so, drum roll please. Ta-da! Look at all these amazing Virgins. It's done! Hey everyone! So we just had the meeting and it wasn't our musicals, but it was about Virgin and Agent Showcase. I can't get over how big this studio looks without the screens. I'm on a mission to scare Evie. She's sat right there. Boom! Hey Corey, how's your day going?
It's going really well. I'm glad the sun's come out. I'm a bit happier now.
What
Look, look, you got a fan, look.
have you got now?
I'm in here. Jazz.
Jazz?
Yeah.
With who?
Ruth.
Oh my gosh, have a dazzling time. Well-being water is the best water. I am back. Hey Imogen!
I had tap.
Tap! You're a foundation student?
Yeah.
You're so awesome. See you later. Jazz Party Day now. I just watched what they do and it looks so scary but so fun. And I'm just so excited. Are you guys excited? But yeah, so guys, I'm so excited. And yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. But like, I've never really I've done ballet party day, but never jazz party day.
Okay, you just caught me eating in the back of your thing. I didn't realise you were
Sorry.
vlogging.
Hello.
So excited.
You're in red and I'm in green.
Christmas! I will let you guys know how it goes later. Bye. I don't know why I was nervous. That was so much fun. I literally loved that. Hey, Abby! So you have jazz party there next, don't you? I just had that.
Tom Ashton, that was fun. Improv.
Yeah, it was really cool, wasn't it? Are you doing TikTok? Time for class. Hey everyone, so I just had the heels class. It was actually like a commercial routine. It was like an audition dance. It was super cool and it was to What's Wrong with Being Confident? Whoa. It reminded me of Anne Juliet and it made me so happy. and it was so fun. And then next week we're doing it again. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
I had such a good day. Jazz Pardoner was amazing, and then I end the day with this amazing class. Can't get much better than that. I literally only come here for the stickers now. The stickers! Let's see if I win. No. Wait. Oh, Ken Road. I think that's... I just won a spot more McDonald's, guys. I got the old Ken Road. Yeah. I'm loving it. Nothing. Still the McFlurry. Just you wait. Just you wait. Just you wait. Fries. For update, I did not get anything on my McFlurry, but do you know what time it is? It's the 21st night of September! It's day 3 of being a virgin! And we have tap. Excited for tap? Sorry. Yay! Okay, so I just had tap. And I put my tap shoes back in my locker. I had it with Ryan. It was really awesome. I never really have him. It was really cool. We did like a little technical exercise and then we did a routine. And then next week we're doing it one at a time. It's crazy times right now, guys. But yeah, I'm done for the day now. But I'm working on reception later. So I'll see you then. Hello, everybody. So I'm here at Bird College, back again, working at the reception, the front desk. I can't show you anything behind the desk though, because that is confidential. What I can show you is what it looks like when you see me when you come through the door. Hello, welcome to Bird College. This is Cherry.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I just did my Cre8 audition and I'm on voice note to Katie Fitz. Everyone say hi to Katie Fitz.
Hi, Katie Fitz. I'm in Amy Pet's dance one.
Cute vibes only. I loved her piece in the second year show.
So I got my new bird
You're
today.
repping the merch.
I look amazing.
Where's Slater's merch?
I need to work on that.
Yeah. What colours are you thinking?
Colourful colours, but then I'll also do black with my little logo.
Love. And you got walkie-talkie?
Yeah. Guys, this is another thing I can show you. Is that I use the walkie-talkie. It's so cool. It's like I'm a literal spy. And I can literally press down this button and then you say hi. And like what you need someone for. Like I could say, hi Callum, how are you doing?
Yes, Tamsin, I am doing fine.
I just get to say hi to everyone really and say see you later, and it's so cool. And I check visitors in and all of this confidential stuff which I should not be telling you about. So another one of my jobs here is that when we order merch, they come to the front desk. Tell me your name.
I'm Imogen, here to collect merch.
Okay, so then I look for Imogen, I collect it, then I hand it to Imogen. Successfully collected your merch. Hey everyone! Hey. How cool is this?
You're doing a great job.
I know, right?
All the merch.
The cameras. Oh, the cameras. I can see where everyone is at all times. See you later. Hey everyone. So we have ATS right now, which is acting through songs. I'll let you know how it goes later. Hey guys. So we just had ATS.
Tamsin was incredible. She really was walking on sunshine.
I really was. I have so much confidence, guys, and I get out there and then I don't always do my best, but it's okay because I tried as hard as I possibly could. What's wrong with being confident? Oh, guess what? What? I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa! Now we have contemporary with 40. I'm so excited. The band barbecue! Woo! I'll do a separate vlog for that. Let's go to contemporary. Yay! Let's go, guys. Boom! Okay, guys, so I had contemporary, now I have ballet. I did my ballet bun and I'm on my way to ballet now. I'm here, I'm ready for ballet. I got some new ballet shoes. I'm so excited for this class. It's with David, so. Guys, are you ready for our first ballet class of third year? Yes! Yay! Woo! Right, let's go, everybody! I just finished ballet. It was so good. I had so much fun. Some really good turns. I'll show you right now. That's my day. I thank so much for watching my video. Basically, this has only been the first week of my third year. There's going to be many more weeks to come. So keep on watching. I'm so excited. I've had such a great week, but they're just going to keep getting better and better. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. See you later. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!